Hey family, thanks for stopping back by. I'm so glad you guys can make it. I ran into my friend Kentucky Bourbon Whiskey today, so tonight I'm going to make some sticky bourbon chicken legs. If you didn't know, make sure you stop by every Tuesday for the latest recipes. Now let's get into it, y'all. So I'm just gonna put this in a bowl here. Stir it up. And then I'm just going to plop each chicken leg in the rub. Nothing to it, y'all. Just make sure this is fully coated. Just like that. You see all that seasoning on there? Yeah, missed a spot, y'all. So put this right here on my baking rack. She's got legs. She knows how to use them. All right, y'all, I'm showing my age. How many of y'all remember that song? Anyway, our legs are all rubbed down, ready to go. I'm gonna pop these in the oven, and in the meantime, I'm going to start making the glaze. All right, time to make the paste, y'all. So I'm gonna pop a few of these little chilies in here. Voila, chipotle paste. All right, guys, so for the glaze, I'm going to try my best to burn off the alcohol from the bourbon without doing a flambe. It'll be okay. Our molasses here. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and put this on low, guys. Ketchup. Apple cider vinegar. Our bootleg chipotle pepper paste. Mustard and Worcestershire. Okay, let's stir this goodness together. Our drumsticks have been in the oven for about 30 minutes. So I pulled them out and I'm going to do my first glazing. So I'm gonna let y'all check this out. All right, so look at these lovely ladies. They're looking pretty good, right? And we have our glaze here. So I have a brush. Just gonna paint them like so. And then I'll flip them over and do the other side. All right, so the legs are glazed at this point. And then I also left a little glaze, you know, in case I want to paint them one last time when they come out of the oven. So I'm going to pop these back in for a few and let them finish up. But they already looking lovely. So our legs are fresh out of the oven. I'm just going to paint them one more time. And that's it. Make sure they sparkling and glistening. All right, guys, these sticky bourbon chicken legs came out even better than I expected. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe as much as I do. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to this channel and follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.